Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a delicious sweet Rajbhog. We have seen it in many sweet shops and we love it. Let's see how to make it at home in a very simple and easy way. I have taken 500 ml of cow's milk and kept it to boil. Once it starts boiling, we'll slowly add a mix of vinegar and water. So in a separate cup, take about 2 tablespoons vinegar. To this add 1/4 cup water. See, it's starting to boil now. Now we'll add this vinegar a little at a time till the milk is curdled well. Keep the flame low. Can you see now? It is curdled well and the water and the whey have separated nicely. Now we can switch this off. Now we will filter this curdled milk through a clean white cloth. Wash it well with some cold water 2 or 3 times. Just leave it aside and allow the water to drain out completely. See, I had kept a weight like this for all the water to drain out. Now we'll take this on a plate and crumble it with your fingers. Knead it very well and then we'll make it into small disc shapes. I'm just adding a small pinch of yellow food color, permitted colors, and knead it very well till it becomes nice and smooth. When you have kneaded it into a nice soft and smooth dough, we will take out divide it into 6 portions and make it into smooth balls without any cracks. Now we have divided into 6 balls. Here I have some small broken pieces of cashew nut. Just make a depression in each ball and add a few pieces of this broken cashew, pista, whatever you have, you can add, and cover it again and make it into a smooth ball once again. Now we can slightly flatten this like this. Similarly with the remaining also make a depression like this and you can fill the center with some nuts of your choice. Flatten it slightly. Our paneer rolls are all done and ready. Now we will make the sugar syrup. Take 1 cup of sugar in a pan and add to it 3 cups of water. Now dissolve the sugar well. See, the sugar has dissolved well and the syrup has started boiling now. When it starts boiling, just drop in these pieces into the syrup, cover it and cook it on high heat for 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will just add 2 tablespoons of water. Every 5 minutes, we will add 2 tablespoons of water, and after 15 minutes, we can switch it off. We can also add a few strands of this saffron to the sugar syrup itself. It is 5 minutes now. I am adding a little bit of water. Cover it and continue cooking. It is 10 minutes now. I am adding some more water. Again cover and cook it. Now finally another little bit of water, and after 1 or 2 minutes we can switch this off. See, we are adding this water every 5 minutes so that the syrup doesn't become too thick. It has to remain a little bit dilute. Now I am switching the stove off. We will allow it to cool well and then we will see how to serve it. Our Rajbhog has been chilled and now it is ready to be served. Before serving, you can just decorate it if you like with a few pieces of pista on top. This is entirely optional. If you have, you can add it. A lovely, delicious Rajbhog, a special sweet for a special treat. Serve it. Serve it out now. See, let me show you how soft and spongy this is. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
A very special and delicious sweet Rajbhog made for you in a very simple and easy way. You can easily try this out at home. With half a liter of milk, we have got about 6 pieces of this size. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.